Hello everyone. Today our group will be presenting about principle of disease, animal health management, which is outbreak of Mastistis in the dairy farm, prevention, treatment and diagnosis. So before we start, let's introduce ourselves together. My name is Steven Raj.
My name is Narifa. My name is Lakshani. My name is Chingling.
My name is Sokingai.
My name is Brooklyn. My name is Vikasri Namanan.
So guys, dairy products, particularly milk, are vital food source. So the rising demand for dairy is pushing the need to enhance the average milk yield per cow. However, one of the most challenging things affecting high milk yield is poor other health, especially due to mastitis. Research problem that we investigate were how to solve the outbreak of mastitis in dairy farm with proper scientific solution and identifying the factors that cause the mastitis. Right diagnosis was identified to treat the mastitis either clinical or subclinical cases. So mastitis is defined as inflammation of mammary gland and is associated with chemicals, physicals, and usually bacteriological changes. So among domestic animals like cow, sheep, goat have a simple mammary gland system. In general, mastitis can categorize as clinical and subclinical.
So now I would like to present on impact of mastitis on dairy animals. There are four major impacts, which are health impact on cow. The cow which are affected by mastitis will suffer from pain and discomfort. This can cause reduction in milk production. And long-term on herd, which is the performance of herd can be affected by mastitis. Thirdly, food safety concern. When the quality of milk production is decreased, this can affect the public which consume the milk. And lastly, economic impact. When the treatment cost for mastitis is expensive, and as I said before, the quality of milk when it's decreased, this milk can be wasteful and this can be discarded. So this can cause more manpower and also economy. So these are the impact of mastitis on dairy animals.
So let's dive into our research furthermore. I will be talking about the factors of mastitis in subclinical and clinical mastitis. First one, subclinical mastitis is because of the two pathogens, which is contagious and environmental pathogens. Next, environmental condition, particularly in the hot weather, where the infection can occur easily. Last, herd management. Increasing size of herds and cattle movement will also affect how mastitis happens. So next, clinical mastitis. It also because of the pathogens, environmental pathogens except in mycoplasma outbreaks, and last but not least, the risk factors. The age of the cows and the seasons can also increase the risk of infections.
I'm going to present the diagnosis of the mastitis. For the first one, we should subclinical mastitis. The first diagnosis for the subclinical mastitis is a somatic cell count. For example, if the number of the somatic cells is very increased, it will affect the quality of the production. And second, which is a California mastitis test, which is also very important to provide a quick assessment of the product health. Secondly, for the diagnosis of the clinical mastitis, which is the physical signs, for example, the swelling and the redness of the elbow. And the last part, which is the bacteriological culture, which confirming the diagnosis and also identify the causative pathogen for the mastitis.
Alright, moving on to the crucial part of our research, which is solution. We have two types of treatment. First, tea dripping, and secondly, dry cow and antibiotic therapy. First, what is tea dripping? According to criteria, before milking, clean the udders with the running water and dry it thoroughly to prevent them from infection by the pathogens. Then, after milking, dip or spray the teeth with disinfectants like hypochlorite, hydrochlor, or chlorohexidine enzyme to kill the germs. Tick dripping is used to reduce incident of intramammary infection by killing or inhibiting pathogens that can enter through the teat canal. It is often performed by after milking to protect the teeth from the environmental bacteria. Ensure all the teeth are fully dipped and give enough time for the disinfectant to work. This is the example of how the teeth are dipped into the disinfectant. Secondly, to the dry cow and antibiotic therapy. According to the study published in the Journal of Dairy Science, dry cow therapy significantly reduces the risk of intramammary infections during the dry period. This leading to improve the udder's health and milk production. The choice of antibiotic should be based on sensitivity pattern of the pathogen commonly isolated from Mastistis cows, and products with long-lasting formulations are often preferred. Moving on, according to the criteria, selection of antibiotic crucial since it had geographical differences in bacterial populations of each farm for better determination of appropriate antibiotic therapy. Antibiotic therapy is often required, especially dairy cell infection. Commonly prescribed antibiotics is including dioxazine, cephalaxine for penicillin allergic patients.
Alright, we'll be moving to our research finding. These are the example of the graph that we derived from this case study, which is the antimicrobial susceptibility of the tested E. coli strains. So as we see, down part of the x-axis shows of the antibiotics that we use in treating the clinical and subclinical cases. These are the graphs that we can derive. Next, we can see the proportions of the bacterial isolates at dry off and post-culling. This method proves the dry cow therapy with a good selection of antibiotics is very vital in order to cure and treat the mastitis either it's clinical or subclinical. So these are the graphs that prove that dry cow therapy is the best solution we can have to cure mastitis.
As a conclusion, the mastitis outbreak is results from a bacterial infection. Early diagnosis through clinical examination is essential for the treatment of clinical and subclinical cases. The solution to overcome mastitis is keep dipping. Second is dry cow and antibiotic therapy. Research in this area aims to increase the cow welfare, enhance milk production, and ensure the sustainability of dairy farming.
That's all for us. Thank you for listening.